tous azimuts. Peuple congolais, il est temps de nous lever, de nous serrer les coudes et d'agir pour défendre notre patrie, notre intégrité territoriale et l'intangibilité de nos frontières. La République démocratique Batela Ekolo, Bindele Koyate.
Bonsoir, bonsoir, bonjour. C'est Congo News 24. Bande Konanga, comme toujours avant de commencer notre émission, nous disons merci à Dieu. Nous disons merci à nos chers abonnés et téléspectateurs qui nous suivent partout dans le monde et en RDC. Bande Konanga, soyez les bienvenus. À la une, chers téléspectateurs, on va commencer cette émission Bandeko avec l'interview troublante de Kabila en Afrique du Sud et puis Senko et CC chez Macron. Alors Bandeko, et ça somme, donc développons une émission là-dessus.
An elected government, elected institutions until we left office in 2019.
Chers téléspectateurs, toko banda avec l'église de Christ au Congo. Bakene ko mona Macron. Et puis masolo ba betaki boko yoka pe Kabila na interview na ye pe alobi yango na Johannesburg. Interview na salaki na télévision sud-africaine boko yoka bande ko za som. Alors mais to ba na ECC makambo balobi bango na Senko bake kokutana na Macron entre ta kote ofachi bazo solo na Qatar bango koto bazoso donc basango batu bazo tiande des hommes pour un seul but, préparer le retour de Kabila. Je vous assure bokoyo interview à Kabila batuni soko azo zonga na pouvoir toujours na pouvoir. Alors makambo oyo bandeko basango bazo préparer terrain ya Kabila. Comment? Parce que ndenge ya bimaki Ndaba critique nyoso à 1.23, Kabila a comme un problème pour son RDC. Alors, pacte basango bazo sala. Et ça n'a pas pacte ma bête. Mais ça n'a agenda caché pour kaka Kabila azonga librement koya ko participer na masolo était entre bana Congo. Alors que le monsieur a déjà beaucoup tué na azo coopérer na batouana. Et c'est tout accepter ma commande moi. Ba Macron ba yebite bazo monaka basango bazo tchakimia basango vraiment bazo sala grand boulot était entre bango basolo la intercongolais basolo la pona kimia na mboka et tout ça wana eza accusation directe tant bango bazo kenda kalibanda baza ko accuser le chef de l'État baza très maïle bakene okuta na fachi d'abord et te batambola fallait fachi aboya kaka mais ata aboyaki baomba saka koto osana ndingi église bon comprend fachi ba ki sage pour ce sol ba ki te bo tambola te bo se lo mote déjà to sana ba kora Nairobi na ya Luanda et ringeza la problème. Alors la situation actuelle bande ko to comprendre très bien makambo to vivre na EDC eza que basango bazana kati ya makambo oyo na Kabila oazali banda. Ba situation tozo vivre eza très mabe na batu oyo. Tant que l'église catholique bazana confiance mingi ya Kabila que président Félix, il y a un problème. Pays na biso e koza l'otage ya ba Rwandete. Pays na biso et cause l'esclave ya ba Rwandete. Alors bokoyo kama botanga makamba solna Macron no esamawa basango il faut kotala ba malamu totanga. Le président français Emmanuel Macron a rencontré ce mercredi 19 mars à Paris des évêques de Senko et de ECC, que les pasteurs des églises de Christ ECC et les initiateurs du pacte social par la paix en RDC dans la région des Grands Lacs. La France n'est pas n'importe quel pays dans le cadre des Nations Unies. Wana basango, après Boyoka Macron. Des diplomaties internationales, voilà pourquoi nous avons pensé à expliquer et demander le soutien du président Emmanuel Macron. En tout cas, il nous a écoutés attentivement. Il a partagé nos analyses. Il est d'accord avec nous par rapport aux perspectives présentées dans le guide du pacte social et il promet son soutien possible en rapport. Monseigneur Nchole mutalobi ke Macron ayokela kibata et Nchole mutupenezo boma RDC. Ce soutien de la France au pacte social pour la paix, pour la Senko et le CC a été confirmé par Emmanuel Macron lui-même sur son compte X. J'ai reçu une délégation des églises congolaises engagées pour la paix à RDC. J'appuie pleinement leur initiative pour dépasser la crise actuelle à l'est du pays et permettre le rétablissement de la souveraineté congolaise. La France soutient le dialogue. Basango bazo bebisa. Ya omoni ba M23 kutu. Bakeda bango pété parce que ba yebite kotoyo. Basango bazo préparer terrain na bango. Baya masolo na RDC. Makambo eza minene. Basango makamuni bino bokoko yana ngo na RDC. Oyo koko edembo na biso. Ah nzambe na ngai. Oyebi ces prêtres baza vraiment kotia mboka na biso mobulu. Bana mboka tozana problème sérieux avec ces prêtres. Donc ba prêtre oyo il faut les dégager. Parce que baza batute soki balingi mboka oyo bakomi makambo ndenge bazo memate. Parce kotoyo tozana bakora Nairobi kotoyo basango bazana masolo na Macron. Tout développer masolo. Alors, soko tali na sewana. Et c'est mawa. Alors, maintenant, situation oyo bandeko, ezo sala pasi. To landi Macron, to tangi basango. Basango ba yebisi Macron nini. Ke plan na bango za malamu de ba obongisa. Batu nyonso wana libanda baya. Tout le monde wakenda libanda baya. Eza makama lokuta. Batu nyonso wana ezaka po Kabila zonga. Parce que Kabila n'a pas les moyens de revenir en tant que batanga ki kombo na ye na aner. Il a été bien cité que makamo nanga osala yazanakati. Et basango bamoni ke po Kabila zonga librement, il fallait que ça la pacte national. Alors pacte ya ko zonga. Kabila azo préparé zonga na pouvoir. Bokoyo kaye. Basango bazo préparer terrain ya pacte social wana ezala agenda kashika ke Kabila zonga na EDC a posé candidature à Bima. Akobima na mboka ni. Baza sous la place te. Yaomba ke ko créer rébellion. Parce que biso to récupérer mboka na biso. Et puis fachi ba otika bango ta. Fachi la komuna ba américain ba ya eza pona ko sukisa bato tout. Pandeko za mawa. Alors, basango ba prépare ngo bien. Toke die ton interview à Kabila. Kabila lobby que atika ki d'abord a ban interview na ye avec oyo ya accord à Sun City. Oyo bateka ki mboke pa Kagame. Alobi accord wana batika ka très bien fachi pa kuta ki yango. Accord à Sun City yango nde oyo ebende biso ba problème nyonso. Bango ba siya ki accord à Sun City mboka une partie za dirigé na Rwanda. Et puis zolo ba peke tozana to salipe constitution et tout ça mais a bien accord à Sun City taw ya kei alors que zaki na bien facha ya baby sinengo donc so to comprendre so bolandi ba tuni va question belé et comme il y a pouvoir bande ko zo beta munoko alobi ye azo zonga pona ko travailler pour la paix et puis n'importe quel poste. Bokolanda eza traduit, eza en anglais, traduction en français. Tanga traduction tango ya zoloba, zala très attentive, tanga traduction wana. Batuni pona président Félix. Alobi facile rezoba décision bien te. Alobi soke échec et eza fachi, sope makambo ke malamu eza fachi. Wala to yebiango. Mais yazo condamné président Félix et ya tika ki pays wana malamu. Donc bandeko. Eloni ya tika ki ya bien. Alobi même pas 100% mais quand même ezaki na développement vers la paix. Non. Kabila oza à côté. Mais toyoka Kabila. Et ça la peuple ba 14 minutes après to jonga émission. Bandeko Zamawa. Joseph Kabila devant la presse à Johannesburg. La situation sécuritaire de la République démocratique du Congo et le groupe rebelle du M23 soutenu par l'armée rwandaise occupent plusieurs localités. À l'issue de cette audience, Joseph Kabila prit la parole devant la presse ce mardi 18 mars à Johannesburg. Alors, la solution que nous avons adoptée en 2002-2003, parce qu'à l'époque, nous devons également faire face à ce type de groupes armés. Et qui a été nouveau, est-ce qu'il y a ce que le gouvernement, à l'époque, nous avons demandé à chasser des armées étrangères et à partir à ce qui est mon avis, directement ou indirectement, à faciliter le processus. À l'objet ponaye, il faut barmer nyoso bakide la EDC batuni makama sami DRC nde bazo kende abi faut bango bakende totika la biso na biso et puis azo souhaiter makambo oyo nchola azo sala oyo ya pacte social abi biso na biso ba congolais to discuter makambo na biso batu moso ba kota te ba congolais ba ko discuter na yo Kabila te yo kozonga so na pouvoir te ndengo zo kanza eza mawa alors toyoka ye mais tanga pe makomiana o kompa toyoka Kabila botanga bien eza traduit na français tanga on très bien écrit.
An elected government, elected institutions until we left office in 2019. So the document or the agreement was fully implemented.
Thank you so much. It's Zianda Ngobo from Newsroom Africa. I've got several questions. If you could just tell us what was the nature of your discussions with President Mbeki just now and what brought you to South Africa to have this particular meeting. But also, maybe you can give us your assessment of why the situation in the Eastern DRC remains so fragile. Just yesterday, the M23 said they wouldn't be participating in the meeting in Luanda. So how do you resolve this if people don't want to come around the table? And just lastly, from my side, what do you make of the semi-DRC withdrawing its troops? What do you think the consequences of this withdrawal will be in the attempts to actually get peace there?
Well, those are very many questions. I don't think I'll remember all of them, but thank you. But my meeting with former President Mbeki stems from an invitation when we met in Windhoek, I believe it was 2 weeks ago. He wanted to know what it is that was happening in the Congo, so he invited me, and that's why I came to see him. 2 or 3 of the questions, I'm not the spokesman of the M23, so why did they not go to a meeting or not? I'm not very conversant with that. They definitely have their reasons, and you might have other channels to ask them that. But what was the third question?
The third one was, what do you believe the consequences of semi-DRC withdrawing from the Eastern DRC are going to be, given how fragile the situation remains and, you know, the people who are supposed to be sitting around the table are not coming to the party?
Well, I haven't been following very closely the situation or the deployment, and of course the announcement of the withdrawal of some media forces in the DRC. But our take has always been, and this is what I said a couple of weeks ago, that considering the situation, the solution that we adopted way back in 2002, 2003, because back then we also had close to the same kind of situation, where you have a multitude of armed forces, various armed groups. Today what is new is that you now have mercenaries who've been employed by the government forces. Our attitude back then was to ask each and everyone to leave. Each and every force was to leave, and that's exactly what happened. And that's what I believe directly or indirectly facilitated the peace process that started immediately after. But is it the same solution that we can apply to the current situation? I believe part of it, yes, can apply the same solution. But considering that the problem is much more deeper than what everybody thinks it is, you have to go into the internal dynamics of what's happening in the Congo, and definitely leave out this blame game of thinking that everything else that's happening is as a result of someone else. At one given point in time, we have to ask ourselves, is it not us, the problem, or our problem, and how do we solve it as Congolese? So what are the consequences of Samir DRC pulling out? Well, I don't see any major disturbances in as far as the withdrawal is concerned, because these are forces, as far as I know, that were deployed in a given area, which is areas around Goma. Any implications further than that, well, probably time will tell.
Mr. Former President, thank you for making time for us. My name is Moluko from ENCA. I just want to understand, considering the fact that early this month you called a meeting with the opposition leaders in the DRC and civil society, how do you, or maybe what were the solutions proposed by that particular meeting in terms of resolving the crisis there? But also, do you by any chance personally have intentions of returning as president of the DRC, given the crisis there?
The meeting that was called had its roots in one analysis that we made. We analyzed the situation and came to the conclusion that everybody else is talking about the Congo except the Congolese. You go to Nairobi, everyone is talking about the Congo. You come to South Africa, well, I can see the interest. Everyone wants to know what's happening in the Congo. But the Congolese themselves seem to be ignored. So the objective was, let's get together, civil society, opposition, and anybody else who's interested in our country, church leaders also, so that we can iron out and especially try to analyze the situation. What is the role of each and every player in what's going on in the Congo? What's the role of the government and civil society and, of course, the opposition? Well, the second question, meaning, am I ready? No, listen. We are ready to work, honestly work for peace, actively work for peace, and that was our attitude 22 years ago when we came to Sun City and signed the agreement. Our attitude today, being much more informed, is definitely to stand up again and be on the move, work for peace in any capacity that we can.
Mr. President, the role of the region and neighboring countries and the international community, what could be the role of other stakeholders outside the DRC in assisting the DRC again to have a peace process, as we see that Luanda talks are very shaky. It looks like it's a start and go. What must happen? What can lead to the lasting solution for the DRC?
In 2018, I participated in one of the last meetings, I believe, of the SADC, my last meeting as sitting head of state. And I told the leaders back then that I was happy, I was living, but that the Congo was no longer the old man of the region. Old man meaning the weakling of the region, SADC region and the region of the Great Lakes. That was my belief in a strong Congo, a Congo that was on track. But yes, 6 years later, we are almost close to square one. The point of departure. Now, what can all these other countries do? I believe it should not be a cyclic thing where 5 years down the road you have peace, 10, 15 years later you have war. No, the Congolese people don't want that. I believe we have to go back to the basics. For close to 16, 17 years, the Congo was stable. Not 100% stable, but stable enough for it to move forward in as far as economic development and other areas were concerned. So what do? I believe we have to go back to the basics. The basics meaning that we have to ask ourselves the question, where have we gone wrong? And I believe where we've gone wrong is that a number of mistakes have been made in as far as respect of rule of law, the constitution, governance, and all those. We have to go back to that. What can these regional countries or regional neighbors of the Congo do? Probably the same thing as in 2002, support a process or a peace process and move forward. You've talked about how shaky the peace process in Luanda is. I believe that it's just the dynamics. People have not yet oiled the machine, but hopefully things will get back on track and people will start honestly talking of peace.
Mr. President, hello, Nellie Payton from Reuters. How do you respond to President Tshisekedi's accusation that you are an accomplice of the Congo River Alliance or the M23, and what is your relationship with those groups?
Well, if at all I was, the word you use is what? An accomplice.
Accomplice, I believe.
Well, the situation could not have been what it is. Could have been very different. So those are just baseless. Next time you see him, ask him to give you the proof of what he's saying. So that's all I can say.
In terms of Rwanda, which has been accused, at least by Pretoria, President Cyril Ramaphosa saying they are backing the M23. What's been your assessment? And if indeed they do have a hand in destabilizing your country, how should the international community then deal with Rwanda?
Well, I haven't heard President Ramaphosa, and I'm not going to either support or contradict what he said. I haven't heard him. My attitude to everything that's happening I can resume it in just one question. If I am weak, whose fault is it? Is it the fault of my neighbor or my enemy, or is it my fault? If and when you answer that question, then you'll definitely find a solution to the problem that you have. And the Congo cannot continue to be this crybaby in the region, talking about how weak it is and how strong everybody else is. That, to me, is not the right approach. Now, how does always the international community deal with the situation? Well, I'm not part of that particular international community, but as a Congolese, what interests me and what interests the Congolese people is how do we deal with the situation ourselves. And I believe that should be the vantage point from where we'll be looking at things. We should be looking at things.
As a part of the solutions that you believe need to be implemented in the DRC, does this include a nation-building process, and what would that look like, and who would form part of it?
We earlier talked about the Sun City Agreement. The Sun City Agreement laid the foundation for what you might call a nation-building process. I don't think that anybody, mediators, facilitators, will do anything better than what we did in Sun City. I doubt that they will do that. And that's why I talked about going back to the basics, because from that particular agreement, we came out of that three years later with a constitution, which laid the foundation for what you're talking about, nation building, institution building, elections, and the rest was supposed to follow. So that, to me, could be the approach.
Do you regret supporting President Tshisekedi during the first term?
I don't live with regrets. No. You make mistakes in life. They make you stronger. And if you're weak, they make you weaker. I believe I'm stronger now because of the mistakes that we made. Up to us to correct those mistakes.
Final question.
Two more questions, and then let's not abuse the hospitality of the foundation.
Now, he is a dictator. 4 more questions. 4 more questions, yeah.
There are rumors, today there are rumors that there could be a coup d'etat or a rebellion in Katanga. Do you think there's a risk of that?
Well, the risk is across the country, it's not only in Katanga. The risk is across the country. 2.3 million square kilometers of the Congo is at risk. So,
At risk of a rebellion or a coup d'etat?
at risk of turmoil anywhere in the Congo. Yeah. So it's not only Katanga or one given region. Yeah.
Just a final one from my side. Do you think that your successor, President Tshisekedi, is part of the ongoing problem, and for as long as he is in the position, perhaps these problems will never be resolved? Is that your impression? But also, if you were to explain in simple terms to an outsider, sum up the pertinent problems confronting your country. If you were to say, the problem is here, these are the root causes. And of course, we see how that problem is manifesting itself.
Well, I'll sum up by saying this. I believe the problem in the Congo, you rightly said so, the problem is President Felix. The solution is President Felix. Now, how do you understand that? How do you turn that left and right? up to you. But critical decisions have to be made. And in critical times, you have to make critical decisions. And these are critical times for the Congo. But in as far as we are concerned, well, like I said, we intend to be very much involved in everything that's happening, especially in as far as peace is concerned, and to move around instead of it just being a SADC thing or East African, for it to be our own initiatives, and go each and everywhere where we believe that we can bring about positive change, positive news, be it in the East, which we are preparing to do, be it in the South, in the North, and the West.
Tolani Kabila, j'espère so jitan tanga bekri wana bien. Kabila lingi mboka ote, po soko lingi RDC, ako sale la bola mwa RDC. Tanga ose la bola mwa RDC te, alingi mboka na bisote. Ezama wa. Donc ye pona ye, ndenga zo mona mboka. Makamu nyonso ya tika kibie, akora Sun City, yazo mona wano bateka kimboke pa Kagame. Bandeko, bosa l'erreur te, bomoni tata oyo, azana beja zonga. Biso kolinga soba, basi baloba kike aza Rwandais, c'est tout fait. Etienne Kabila expliqué biso nyonso. Etienne Kabila lobi, ke aza Rwandais, azaki soldat ya armée rwandaise. Siko koya kusani susu. Albatune question wana. Landa tremesol bande lango. Soko zonga suna pouvoir. Ye alobi, ye azo zonga pour la paix et puis ako travailler na n'importe quel poste. Botala. Ande kweza mawa. Mais intention na yi eza yango wana. Balobi eke yozo supporter 1-23. Alobi ke Fachi alakisa ba preuve, mais tozana ba preuve. Bakene kutuna Fachi ba journaliste wana, Fachi alakisa ba preuve, oyo bakangaki bato na bango, bato tuwana balobi ke yende muta supporter. Conseil ananga alobaki, bato tu balobaki na aner et tout ça. C'est pour ça que Pépé a menacé pour le moment. Alors, si la situation vivre actuellement, il faut pas de décision à makasi. Bateau nyons au ba mboka mubulu, il faut pas bango bakanga bango. Kabila, tolani interview na ye, au mona directement, azo condamné Rwanda te. Alobi avon oche olo ba ke bango faute mo, mais baye ko attaquer biso. Yolo ba ke président Félix atala nanu biso moko. Mais azo kwa kolobate kaka ndemo na bakatumbi azo ko Kabila batune question ya M23 invasion armée rwandaise azo condamné Kagame ta o avant même le bana ba voisin il faut tala na yomoko oh mais ba voisin ba attaquer biso non bolandi Kabila naza vraiment contenté. Ce sont des vérités troublantes où ils ont ça la bienté mais ba congolais bo partager et ça très important. Tome kakosolongo bien et belé peut-être ba yoka interview mais ezaki en anglais peut-être ba expliquer mais yomo holandi na be écrit en français maloba to azoloba bo partager ces vidéos moto nyoso a comprendre que oyo Kabila lobby ezo sala kitokoti parce que azola ça très bien que en tout cas alingi mbokoti soko alingi yango akolo makambo wanati. Et ça mawa. Et puis, je commence à accord à Sun City. Oh, il y a un qui présente Félix Ilkouamès. Accord à Sun City, dirigé par des Rwandais. Tous sont sonné ma brassage en mixage et qu'on simbati. Mais aïe ba été, moutako voté Kabila zate. Soka zonge na évité bata pépé donc ba ko voter. Mais aïe ba ki akotika la commission président de la République. Pays na biso, tozo kende. To récupérer mboka na biso to ko bongsa yango na mabe a président Félix na malamu na ye toko yebisa ye akobongisa malamu tozala na mwana mboko sommet de l'état ke tozongi su ba rwandais bakongole bozomona te ndeko na mino Félix aza na berere tobwaka ndeko na biso po aza na berere tozwa rwandais totie na pouvoir ezalaka pena bozandeli ni bakongole pourquoi naïve à vous? Oui, même moi je comprends. Président Félix passe à libérer, tout yebi. Mais azan ndeko na yo to supporter bango batizala wana au pouvoir pour mboka oyo so eza diriger na ba Rwandais bandeko boye makambo za ole kalera Kabila esi to mone suma kamona baza o tirer batu bazo boma bela batu na côté report boye ko na campagne bazo tirer batu boza bomona ngoli suna Congo mais to vivre ngo impunité kozala somo et puis bazo boma petit peuple aïbe le côté mais l'air fati zo boma batu bongo c'est pour ça ba tant ça makila na kuna nord tokiba alors bana mboka to comme na fait mission bo partager bo zanga te émission Jozoya si makambo oya kora. Au revoir, à la prochaine.